Hi, I have decided to remove my time machine backup because I have a DSLR camera and I have just bought a new phone. And there's a lot of pictures and video data that actually I have to save, and my 1 terabyte drive, 500 is being used by my time machine, and the fact that I've been using my Mac for like 7 years, and I have been, keeping a backup, but I've never once used Time Machine. So it definitely, I think it's a great facility, but I have decided to remove it just because I'm not using it that much. In fact, I'm not using it at all. But before I remove it, I want to show it around how things work in Time Machine. As you can see, my desktop right now. So I'm gonna just show you around how Time Machine works. And so these are the folders and icons on my. Actually, these are the folders and icons on my desktop. And in here, I'm gonna enter into Time Machine. So just basically want to show you how things work here. So this is right now, you can see today right now, and this basically shows my desktop in my current state. And if I go into Macintosh hard drive, it actually is going to go into the snapshot of the entire hard drive. But I'm just going to keep it on my desktop, so for demonstration purpose. And it might take a second or two just to retrieve data from the hard drive, because it's a 1 terabyte hard drive, and this is HDD, it's not an SSD. So to go back in time, you can either click this button, arrow, or you can go here. So both will take you to the previous screenshot taken. In this case, I'm browsing the desktop. So as you can see that in this one, I have the folders because I arranged, I cleaned up my desktop. And before this one, I had all the images in here. So just kind of to show you, now I don't have this image here, but just kind of to show you how things work, I can click on this one and click restore, and it's restored now, and here you can see that image here. So this is great actually if you have important data that you want to constantly back up. So this is really great. And similarly, for example, I'm going to, if I want to back up the entire HDD, so what I do is select here and click restore. And it's going to take some time, and it's going to give me a warning. You can erase volume Macintosh HD and replace it with the restored volume, or cancel to stop the restore. So obviously I'm not going to do it right now, but basically you can back up your entire hard drive. If you have a new machine, if you have a new hard drive, you can kind of back it, the entire thing, from your Time Machine using just a single click. It's going to take time because there's a lot of data, but the thing is that it's really simplifying everything for you. Another trick I want to show you how things work in Time Machine. So let's go into desktop, and let's go to previous screen, and let's just pick this one, maybe. Okay, let's pick this one, and I want to copy it or restore it to a particular location other than the desktop, because right now we are in the desktop. So I can click on it and restore to, and you basically can now, it's going to give me option where I want to restore it to, which folder. So I can just select a folder, and it's gonna do the restoring for me in that particular folder. So it's really nice, but again, since I'm not using it, and you really have to remember when something you stored in a particular folder, and what was that document. So it's, if you don't have that kind of details, then you pretty much are interested in the last backup, which you want to keep it. So going back in time, to me, it's not super useful. I mean, it's great to have, but mostly we are interested in the last backup. But nevertheless, it's going to be a great facility. But I'm going to delete it anyways because I need memory space, and I don't have right now, because my half of my 1 terabyte is taken by software backups and pictures and videos, and now I don't have any space, so I have to basically just remove it.